Hi there, welcome to a very exciting video on the top 24 use cases for 2024. In this video, I'll go through the use case number 24 to use case number 1, and this sequence is purely based on my preference. So let us get started with the use case 24, which is sentiment analysis with large language model. Large language models can now interpret emotions and opinions from unstructured data. Now, this use case has become widely popular in 2024, and it is a must-have use case for every company in every industry. Another variant of sentiment analysis is emotional analysis. Previously, when we talk about sentiment, it was negative sentiment, positive sentiment, or neutral sentiment. But now, with large language model, we can go beyond that and also understand the emotions such as joy, fear, surprises. Now, this is really powerful and it helps us to understand sentiment in a very holistic way. AI can now transform your text reviews into precise ratings. It makes feedback analysis much more faster as well as consistent. And this innovation can streamline decision making for businesses as well as it also enhances the user experiences. Chat with the data. Now, this is one of my favorites. It allows you to interact with the data in a very natural and a very conversational way. You just need to ask questions in plain English or your national language, and AI will look into the data and it will give you back the response. Now, this is really game changing and it simplifies analytics. It makes data exploration accessible to everyone. You can also now chat with PDFs, which allows to get insights from documents in a very conversational way. Now, this capability and use case is very relevant for call centers where they have to give responses to customer queries by looking at various documents. So this is a very exciting use case which boosts productivity for many employees out there. AI can also go beyond just PDF. You can now chat with any text. For example, you can chat with your emails and you can understand on what kind of responses I should give for an incoming email. Language Processing Unit or LPU was also a very revolutionary thing what we saw in 2024. It is a specialized chip which is designed for the generative AI era. Now, this is going to make applications which are based on large language model hyper fast and hyper responsive. Moving on to now audio. Audio clustering can group similar audio files together based on their tone, their pitch, as well as patterns. Now, this particular use case can really help improving media management as well as sound recognition systems. Audio feedback analysis was also a very exciting use case what we saw in 2024. Now, customers do not have to give feedback always in a kind of a written format. They can just send their feedback via voice and audio, and AI will be able to interpret it by extracting sentiments as well as keywords which are there in that audio file. Image segmentation was also a very prominent use case what we saw in 2024. It allows precise analysis and interpretation of visual data by dividing the image into meaningful regions. Now, this particular technology can be widely used in healthcare, autonomous driving, as well as robotics for tasks such as visual understanding of the environment as well as object detection. Multimodal AI was revolutionary in 2024. AI can now understand text, images, audios, and other formats all at the same time. And this is what we call it as multimodal AI, which was quite revolutionary in 2024. In fact, with multimodal AI is now becoming like human. AI-powered apps are now must-have. Now, these apps are widely used in various areas such as healthcare, finance, and customer services, and it is really providing very intelligent solutions such as virtual assistant or decision-making tools. Chat-powered e-commerce was also a very popular use case what we saw in 2024. Now, this is really going to revolutionize on how we shop. Gone are the days where we have to manually search through lots of products just to locate the thing what we want to buy. Now you can just interact with AI in natural language and AI will be able to understand what you intend to buy and directly recommend you the product, which saves you a lot of time in exploring and searching an e-commerce website. Speech analysis was also a very key use case in 2024. And thanks to this, you do not have to attend all the team meetings. AI can just translate whatever was spoken in a meeting into text, which you can go through it, read it, and understand. And you can optimize your time schedule and improve your productivity. AI can also now convert text to speech. Now, this is really powerful because it can enable natural sounding voice just from text data. Now, this is widely used in various accessibility tools, virtual assistants, as well as content creation, and this really enhances the user experiences, and it provides also a very effective communication way. AI is completely transforming the education sector. The learning experience is now completely amazing with personalized tutoring, with adaptive learning, as well as automated grading system. The way in which we get educated is going to be radically changing in the years to come. Text to image generation was also an awesome use case what we saw in 2024. All the images what I've used in this video have been generated using AI. I just need to give a text prompt and AI is going to generate an image which is very similar to what I have described. And this is really a game changer. It is changing a lot of industries such as creative industries as well as marketing, entertainment and design. AI generated data stories. AI can now transform complex data into very compelling narratives for easy understanding and decision making. Now, these data stories can be widely used in business intelligence, marketing, and journalism to present the data-driven insights in a very engaging and a very accessible format. Generative AI is also replacing traditional machine learning by automating complex tasks such as data pre-processing, feature engineering, and model selection. And it is going in a long way to boost the data science productivity. Now, moving on to the fifth use case, which is dynamic pricing using generative AI. AI can now generate price in real time, taking into account the market trends, as well as it also optimizes the revenue and competitiveness. In 2024, we also saw the rebirth of knowledge graphs, which were powered by AI. Now, this is a very popular use case which helps to enhance the data integration as well as semantic search capabilities across the data. Text analytics have now been completely taken over by generative AI, and this is one of the most popular use cases what we have seen in 2024 across various companies and various industries. AI can now classify the text. It can summarize the text at a precision never seen before. Now, solving hallucinations in AI was also a key focus in 2024. And now we have very advanced techniques such as Blue Score and Ruse Score, which were developed to reduce incorrect or fabricated outputs which were generated by AI. And this is going in a long way to trust AI and feel confident about it. Now, the top use case, as per me, is use of AI to understand yourself. All of us, we generate a lot of data, such as data on our social media or data on our phone. And AI can help us to understand this data better and to improve ourselves. For example, AI can understand our interactions, it can understand our health patterns and recommend what we should post on social media, or could also generate a personalized health plan for us. So my friends, this were the top 24 use cases for 2024. I hope you found them interesting. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like and comment on the video. And I wish you an excellent 2024 year ending and a festive season and an amazing start to 2025. And see you soon in another exciting video.